Solving a question in Algebra 1 which is involving fraction. Now looking at this question, we have to evaluate 1 over 4 divided by a square bracket 2 over 3 and now curve bracket 2 over 7 over 8 minus 1 plus 3 over 4. This is what we have to evaluate. If you know you can solve this, you can pause the video and look at your answer when you have gotten it. Now let's solve it. You are given a fraction that is 1 over 4 divided by a square bracket 2 over 3, then a curved bracket 2 over 7 over 8 minus 1 plus 3 over 4, a curly bracket and a square bracket. Now before we solve this, we have some order of operation. In fraction, we have what we call order of operation. Order of operation refers to the signs that come first anytime you have to evaluate a fraction. And what are those signs that come first? We call them the Bodmer. Where the B represents the bracket, B represents the bracket, O represents the half, D represents division, M represents multiplication, A represents addition, then D represents subtraction. Sorry, S rather represents subtraction. So these are the order of operation we have in board now. The keys of order of operation we are going to use to solve our question above. Looking at the question given to us, how many order of operation can we find? We have division, we have square bracket and a curved bracket, that's 2. We have subtraction, that's 3. We have addition, that's 4. Now we have 4 order of operation. And looking at this, which of the order of operation comes first? That is your bracket. Bracket comes first before your division, before your subtraction, likewise before your addition. So we are going to deal with the bracket first. Now dealing with the bracket, if you look carefully, we have 2 kinds of brackets. We have the one that has a square bracket, which is at this side, and also we have the one that is a curved bracket, which is at this side. Which of them will we solve for? In this kind of case, you are going to prefer the one that has the nested kind of bracket. That means the inner bracket before you solve the outer bracket. And the inner bracket is our curved bracket, which is at this side. So whatever answer I have for the inner bracket, we now extend to the outer bracket. Then we now go for a division. Let's solve this. We have 1 over 4 divided by a square bracket 2 over 3, then a curved bracket 2 over 7 over 8, then subtraction 1 plus 3 over 4. These are the kind of bracket we have. So we are going to deal with the inner bracket, and we are dealing with the inner bracket. The very first thing we need to do is to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then look for a way to bring the addition first before the subtraction. Now let's look at it. So we have 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3. Then we have, when we convert 2 over 7 over 8 into an improper fraction, what are you going to have? You're going to have is that 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 plus 7, that will give you 23. That's 23 over 8. 23 over 8 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 1. Now what do you see? I tried to arrange the minus sign and the plus sign. That means plus come before subtraction. So let's do that. When you go on with it, 1 over 4 divided by, at this case we have 2 over 3, then you look for the LCM between the denominator of 8, 4 and 1. And when you look at it, the denominator is still 8, which is the LCM, because when we say 8 in the 8, we give us 1. 1 times 23 will give us 23. Plus 4 in 8 will give us 2. Then 2 times 3 on 8 will give us 6. Minus 1 in 8 is 8. Then 8 times 1 gives us 8. So the next thing to do is to bring them out. Bringing this out, we're going to have 1 over 4 divided by the square bracket 2 over 3. Then we have the LCM all through 8. Now in this case, we're going to subtract 23. We are going to have 23 plus 6. That will give you 29. Then 29 minus 8. That will give you 21. So here is 21. We can now have our bracket. Now anytime you found a fraction outside a bracket, the sign between them is always a multiplication sign. So because of that, I will just need to break down. I can have it here as 2 here as 1, 2 here as 4. I can use it here as 3 here as 1, 3 here as 7. So I have it as 1 over 4 divided by a square bracket 7 all over 4. So the next thing to do is deal with the what? Division sign. In our division sign, we have 1 over 4 multiply. Anytime we have division sign, it always changes to multiplication sign. And when it changes to multiplication sign, the next fraction will go upside down, in which 7 will be at the bottom, while the 4 will be at the top. So I have it as 4 all over 7. So in this case, I'm going to cancel out 4, cancel out 4. I'm going to be left with 1 over 7. So this is our answer. Going to the option, let's confirm whether we have similar answer. Okay, in our option here, the right answer stands as option B.